Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete friends on Monopoly Go. By delete, I mean how you guys can remove your friends from Monopoly Go. You cannot delete their account, okay? So let me show you how you guys can remove friends. For this, you want to click on the friends option at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on friend, all of the friend you have is going to be shown over here. So once you click on friend, you want to click on this option called leaderboard. Over here, you want to make sure you're on the friends section. Over here, all of your friends are going to be displayed. Now if you want to remove any one of your friend, and once you click on your friend's name, it's going to show you your friend's stat. But right below stat, it's going to show you an option called remove friend. You want to click on remove friend and click on sure. Once you confirm the removal of the friend, that particular friend will be removed from your Monopoly Go account. It's that simple. So that is basically how you guys can remove friends in Monopoly Go. And remember, even if you remove your friend, if you want to add them in the future, you can still do that as well. So I hope you understand how you guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.